Hi, everyone. I'm Nicole Herskowitz, and I'm excited to share with you Copilot Cowork is now available in the Frontier program. Today, I'm going to show you how teams at Microsoft and our preview customers are already using Cowork to change how work gets done. Let's start with the sales team. In this scenario, I'm a salesperson looking to identify the best upsell opportunities for the week. I'm going to ask Cowork to analyze and rank my accounts based on signals from WorkIQ, such as product usage data and recent customer engagements. I'll also ask Cowork to build content for me, like a customer pitch deck and an account plan. Now, Cowork gets to work. It shows me all the steps that it's taking, and on the right-hand pane, it creates a plan, displays its progress, along with the skills it's using and the files that it creates. Now, I'm going to go grab a coffee while Cowork continues working. Oops, I closed my laptop. But that's okay, because Cowork runs in the cloud and it keeps on executing the tasks. And while I was away, it looks like the results have come in. Here's a ranked table of all the top accounts with the upsell opportunities, and it creates a deep dive for the highest potential customer, Contoso. Now, I can also add more tasks to Cowork that it can take on while it's working. In this case, I want to send an email to the account manager about this opportunity. And what can you see? Cowork just created that email. I can review it, I can make edits, and I can send it right here. And if I want to run this workflow every Monday, I can easily schedule this task, and it will happen on a weekly basis. And look, my deliverables are ready. Here's the account plan with the key customer information, risks and mitigations, and next steps. And right here is the customer-facing deck. I can open it in PowerPoint and see how it framed the opportunity and the solution. And I can continue to iterate with Copilot right in the app. Now let's take a look at a finance team. In this scenario, I need to analyze our monthly budget performance to share with my leadership team. Cowork will use WorkIQ to find the latest data and run the analysis and create the content. And while it works, I can keep on adding tasks. For example, I think I want to send a message in a group chat to my team with their action items. Here you can see the message pops up. I can edit it and post it right into Teams. Now it looks like the analysis is complete, so let's see what Cowork created. Here's the deck with the executive summary and the top drivers for our budget variance. I also see the spreadsheet, which I can open up in Excel and see the updated budget, forecast data, and new trend charts. Once again, I can continue to iterate with Copilot right in the app. And the file is already protected and ready to share with my team. Finally, Cowork organized all of our files in the SharePoint folder. Now, my monthly budget is updated and it's complete, all with the help of Cowork. So try it today in the Frontier program and see how it changes the way you.
And it's now built into the researcher experience by default, because two models working together are better than one. We put this to the test on the Draco benchmark. Researcher with Critique yielded the highest results of all models tested, scoring 7 points, or nearly 14% higher than the next best competitor in the market. The other new capability in Researcher is Counsel. With Counsel, run one prompt across multiple models and compare their responses side by side directly in Researcher, helping inform your next step with greater confidence. You can see where the models agree, and more importantly, where they don't. With each model generating a full report, Counsel helps you validate conclusions faster, without switching tools or rerunning prompts. Try Researcher in Microsoft 365 Copilot and see how these new capabilities can support